We came to eat in this restaurant called the Rim Volcano House. It's a volcano, it's a restaurant right next to the volcano, and you can see the volcano steam coming up. The price at the restaurant is a little high considering it has a volcano view. You could see the steam coming up from the volcano itself. We waited for approximately 30 minutes for a table. The sun is going down soon, so I should just enjoy the view as much as I can before it gets dark. We're gonna eat at this volcano restaurant overlooking the big hollow volcano. We don't have a reservation, so we're not gonna get the window seat. So this is the best view you are going to get. Just walk by to see this great view. Oh, I think I could go outside too. This is the outside view at night. And that's the restaurant over there. Yup, beautiful. Beautiful day out. Lily had a Hawaiian ranchero 12-ounce New York steak, and I had a Lily and I are eating in this fancy restaurant overlooking the volcano. So we don't have a window seat, but we saw some steam coming out. The big round volcano. At night, it's pitch dark, so you can't see anything. But nonetheless, the food is fancy meals in a nice restaurant. You can see the windows. Yep. Just imagine it's a volcano out there. Lily's ordering the ranchero Hawaiian New York steak, and I'm ordering a Caesar salad with their local sear fish. So okay, we'll wait for our food to come. The fish was over grilled, so it was a little bit hard, and Lily had a steak with some mashed potatoes underneath. Our food is here. I'm having Caesar salad with what you call it? Fish, sear fish. And Lily's having free-range Hawaiian beef. It's so fatty and juicy. So fatty and juicy. It's the cows that are raised with Hawaiian pasture. It's $50. Okay. Hers is $50. Mine's I think it's 26-ish dollars. Yummy. How's the steak, Lily? Really good. What's so good about it?
I don't know.
Is it like organically good?
I don't know. But I know a bad steak when I eat it.
Is it fresh? Cook really well? The onions is good? Fried onions, right? How about the spinach? You don't like the spinach? Mashed potato?
I don't like spinach.
Oh, okay. I thought it was good.
There's mushrooms.
Oh, yeah. This volcano area is a great place to see the stars at night.